what we have here today is our new open air display case refrigerated cooler. First off, let me give you the dimensions for this unit. For the width, we're looking at 28 inches. For the depth, left and right, we're looking at 27 3/4 inches. For the height, we got 57 inches. Now we come back here. These units do include small caster wheels, as shown in the bottom, so the casters can be removed anytime. This unit does come with LED lights. Okay, so come in here, cool white presentation. Okay. Also included is this drop cloth window curtain. Clip onto its place. I'll stay closed. Come back up, slide it up. We're good to go. This unit is also NS7 E-Till approved, so we come back here. We have the diagram of the specs of the mechanical information. And as you can see here is a 110 volt connection outlet. So when you receive this case, plug into your 110 volt outlet connection, and you're good to go. Again, this is our open air display case refrigerator cooler. For any additional questions, feel free to contact us or visit our website, coolerdepousa.com. Thank you.